Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now I'm going to show you how to combine two or more columns. Suppose if you want to combine uh, this four cells, okay, 1 2 3 4, these four cells. If you want to combine, suppose these four cells altogether you have to put here. Now how you can apply, okay, I mean how you can uh, do that, okay. So for that, first of all, type here equal to, okay, type equal to, then write concatenate, right, C-O-N C-A, so you can choose from here concatenate, okay, concatenate, concatenate. Then here you'll put cell address. Suppose if you start from here, this cell address, okay, cell address, then put comma, okay, then put this one, comma, this cell address, comma, then this one, okay. Or you can select two cell address also, but more than two cell address you can select, no issue, okay. Actually I want to show you just how to combine all these cells, okay. Now you can put bracket, you can close the bracket, or if you don't close with the bracket also it's okay, the formula will work, no issue. So now put enter, okay. Now you can see one here, rule number one, then underscore, then class and section, okay. Combine. Now if you drag it, your formula is ready, okay. So this is how you can combine um, more than two cells, okay. Thank you. So that's all for this video. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you, that now if you copy this one, say if I try to copy this one and paste here, see, if I paste here, so it's not working, okay. I'm not able to paste this, or suppose if I paste this cell also, so you will not be able to paste this cell, okay. Why? Because here actually we apply formula, okay. So if you apply formula, you have a special option, that is special paste special, okay. Now I'll show you how to do this. So first of all, if you copy, first you copy this cell, and then you click here, you can see, you click here, okay, here, oh, you click here, paste, okay. Here you will get one option, paste special, paste special, or you can shortcut key, you can put alt control and V, okay, alt control and V. So if you put paste special, you can see here you have to select value, then okay, sorry, first you copy this one, then keep the cursor here, okay, then again click on paste special, value, okay. Now you can see this cell is copied here, okay. So if you want to copy the whole column, again Control C, then here Alt Control V. Okay, you'll get this dialog box. From here you can choose value, then okay. Okay, see, now if you tried with the normal Control C and Control V, it will not work. Okay, since here I applied formula, but other normal cell you can copy, no issue. You can see Control C, Control V, because I typed this these these are typed, that's why I can copy easily. But if there is any formula is applied, then you have to paste with special option only. Thank you. Thank you, guys. If you find this video informative, please subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you once again.